7 Most Incredible Transportation Operations of All Time. Number 1. The Blue Marlin. The Blue Marlin is a cargo ship that carries many ships on top of it. The history of this ship is really amazing. The US Navy started using this powerful ship, but it soon went away from the American Navy as it had a fierce terrorist attack by Al-Qaeda. The Blue Marlin is a semi-submersible heavy goods cargo ship, which is specially designed to move large ships or rigs back and forth. It has 40 cabins to accommodate people, with the capacity of 60 people in each cabin. Along with this, many swimming pools and gyms have been built in it. Number 2. Turbine blades. The task of moving the blades of a windmill here and there is truly amazing. The company transporting them makes special types of small trucks, and these blades are fitted on the back of these trucks. It is seen many times that the size of these blades is as long as 288 feet. The Chinese company carried 90 such blades up the mountain paths on the Boading Mountains of Chinese province Yunnan. We all know very well that no truck driver can easily bend such a big thing on almost vertical turns. So they had to install a hydraulic system in the truck which could straighten the blade slightly upwards at such a turn. Raising the blade up to about 30 degrees makes it very easy to move the blade forward. Number 3. 1,000 tons piece of submarine. Anyone can be amazed to see a piece of submarine weighing 1,000 tons going on the road. This very large submarine piece was moved from the Bridge Road Barrow to the Devonshire Dock Hall. Now, of course, it does not seem to be a big or difficult journey, but this task becomes more difficult when you have to carry 1,000 tons of material through the area of terrorists. It was part of a nuclear submarine that was made for the first time. The traffic was completely halted because of its journey, as it required a full side of the road to run. According to data, 4 more such submarines were later made in Britain. Number 4. Bagger 288. The Bagger 288, a machine weighing 13,500 tons, was first built in 1978. Due to the weight and its size, the instrument has become the largest road-plying tool in the world even today. It is a complete unit by itself, through which the quarry is excavated. A bagger takes 10 years to make. Its parts are collected in the first 5 years, and those parts are assembled in the next 5 years. After which, a new Bagger 288 is produced which costs $100 million. But its expenses do not end here. In 2001, when there was nothing left to dig for the bagger in the Tagabao Hambach mine, it was thought to lift it from there to another mine 14 miles away. But this was quite difficult as this machine had to cross a rail line, a river, and several small and large roads in this journey, for which the estimated expense was about $8.6 million. For this, a team of 70 people was formed to execute the journey safely. The difficulty was that the bridge over the river was not able to carry that much weight, so a separate steel bridge was built to cross this machine. Every part of this entire machine was covered so that it could be safe in any accident. Well, this journey was completed successfully. Number 5. Troll Platform. It is the heaviest and largest thing in the world that was ever transported. It is a natural gas platform called Troll Platform. This platform was erected near the west coast of Norway. Its height is 1,548 feet plus additional 1,210 feet under the sea. The weight of this entire machine is 656,000 tons. And when this load is towed in the sea, then the weight increases to 1.2 million tons. Due to so much weight and its size, this whole machine is a wonderful example of engineering. Just think how much power will be needed to displace it from one place to another. But it was done, and this is a world record even today. Usually such machines are floated and transported from one place to another. But in case of Troll Platform, the entire machine was towed in water. This journey of 124 miles took 1 week to complete. Number 6. AN-225 Mriya Aircraft. The AN-225 Mriya aircraft is the world's highest weighting aircraft, built by Soviet engineers in the 1990s. Since then, its work till date has been just lifting weights. It is used today exclusively to send food and beverages to the army. In 2013, this aircraft transported a gas generator for a power plant. The total weight of this generator was 190 tons. There were no plans in the whole world that could compete with it. Number 7. Crawler transporters of NASA. Space rockets are counted among such big things in this world, which it is not easy to bring to the launch pad. These are made elsewhere and then flown from elsewhere. Like we talk about the Saturn V rocket, it had a total length of 363 feet and weighed a little over 3,100 tons. NASA has made its own collar transporters to deal with the work of bringing and carrying them. It somewhat looks like a tank in appearance and weighs 2,075 tons on its own. The roads on which it runs are specially constructed. They were first built in 1960, and since then, NASA has not found a good way to do this. This was all about today's video. Please like, share, and comment below. Thank you for watching.